Have you ever gotten a loan or applied for a credit card and been left wondering, wait, where did they even get all this information about me? It's a fair question. Your credit score and report are these mysterious things that seem to follow you around, impacting everything from insurance rates to apartment rentals. But who exactly keeps track of all this financial data? The answer lies in the world of credit bureaus. These are businesses that collect information about your borrowing habits and create a credit report, a detailed document that outlines your credit history. The big three credit bureaus in the United States are Experian, Equifax, and Transunion. They all operate independently, which is why your credit score can actually vary slightly between them. But that sparks another question. With all these credit bureaus out there, does Experian somehow use Transunion's information, or vice versa? The simple answer, no. Experian does not use Transunion's data, and vice versa. They are completely separate companies with their own databases and reporting systems. Think of it like three different libraries, each has its own collection of books, credit information, and they don't share those collections with each other. Why they don't share? There are a few reasons why credit bureaus don't share information directly. Here are the key ones. Competition. The credit bureau industry is competitive. Each bureau wants to be the go-to source for lenders and other businesses that need credit reports. Sharing information would take away their competitive advantage. Privacy. There are strict regulations in place around consumer credit data. These regulations are designed to protect your privacy and ensure that your credit information is only used for legitimate purposes. Sharing information between bureaus could create security risks and raise privacy concerns. Focus. Each bureau might specialize in collecting specific types of credit information. For example, one bureau might focus heavily on credit card debt, while another might prioritize auto loans. This specialization allows them to provide more in-depth information on certain types of credit. But wait, there's more to the story. While the credit bureaus themselves don't directly share information, there are ways that some of your credit data might end up on all three reports. Here's how. Lenders and creditors. When you apply for a loan or credit card, the lender typically reports your activity to all three bureaus. This is because they want to get the widest possible view of your creditworthiness. Public records. Certain types of public records, like bankruptcies and tax liens, can also be reported to all three bureaus. So, even though the bureaus don't directly share information, it's still possible for some of your credit data to appear on all three reports. Why does it matter that they don't share? Since the credit bureaus don't share information, it's important to be aware that your credit score can vary slightly between them. This is because they might have received different information from lenders or creditors. Here's why this matters. Loan applications. When you apply for a loan, the lender will typically pull your credit report from just one bureau. This means that the score they see could affect the interest rate you're offered or even whether you get approved at all. Monitoring your credit. It's a good idea to monitor your credit reports from all three bureaus regularly. This way, you can catch any errors or inconsistencies that could be dragging down your score. Experian and Transunion are separate credit bureaus that don't directly share information. However, some of your credit data might still end up on all three reports due to reporting by lenders and public records. Because of these variations, it's important to be aware of your credit score with each bureau and monitor your reports for any errors. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.